Well, can you believe that? I just closed that, and you saw I've got about that much left from there down. That's probably a gallon left. And when I started floating out these stairs just now, remember it was up about there. So now it's down about there. Two and a half gallons, probably about 2.5 gallons I poured on top of these stairs. Can you believe that? It's kind of hard to imagine that's how much slope these were going backwards. And for the stairs, that's actually quite a bit of material on there. And I've got about another gallon to go to finish those. And so yes, I'm gonna take another trip down to the store. If they have another 5 like this, I'm gonna get it, because even after I get done skimming these out, if I want to beef up the riser piece with the paint brush, or once I skim these out tomorrow or the next day, if I want to touch them up, I still got material for that. If I want to put a third coat on the edge of the step and the riser, and maybe not do any more on that, I'll have enough for that. And especially for the fact that if they still have a little bit more of this that they were discontinuing for $42 for a 5-gallon container, even if I needed just a gallon, of course I'll get the 5. And I'll have that for many years to patch these each year if I have to, or what have you. Okay, or hey, if somebody needs some on a flat roof, and if it's white, maybe I can use this for that. You see what I mean? All right, enough of that. Time to clean up and go to lunch. Whew. Hey, well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. And are you a subscriber of mine? You need to subscribe. I'm asking you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell next to my name and my face, and you'll make sure that you never miss a new video that I'm going to post. And I post quite often. Okay, you look on there, I've got a ton of videos, probably over 3,000 videos on my channel. And if you're having a hard time finding something on my channel, go to my main channel page and look for playlists. Click on playlists, then scroll down from there, and you'll see all the different DIY topics I have on my channel and all that kind of stuff. Because I put them, I do a favor for you, and I put them in playlists. So all my electrical will be in one area, all my painting will be in one area, all the dry rot deck repairs and the dry rot stair repairs and these deck stair repairs will be all in one area. All my ceiling fan videos will be all in one area, all the carpet ones. You get my point. Look through the playlist. There's inspirational reading videos. I've got some nature videos there. Got all kinds of stuff in there. Lots of stuff that will help you save money around the house. And I show you all on my own how to do certain things. So you'll know you won't need to have somebody help you. If you want to do it yourself, yeah, there's a ton of videos. I could save you thousands upon thousands of dollars around your house. And if you were wondering, what is that clanging noise going on? Well, Momi, she got this from one of her people who goes to the same gym as her, and he makes these. Look at this thing. He had built one of these out in his backyard, and it had 3 of those gongs, and Momi liked it. She said, hey, can you make us one? And sure enough, he made us one. I was hoping he wasn't going to make us one with 3 of those tiers. One is just fine. And so hopefully that's not been bothering you in the background, clanging around. I did have a rock wedged in there the other day, so it wouldn't clang. But then it got windy and the rock came out, and this morning I forgot to do it. So hopefully that didn't really disturb you much while you were looking and watching these videos that I did. Okay, all right, still drying. It's going to take all day, and I looked at the weather, and it's going to be in the mid 70s for the next 5 or 6 days, and so I'm fine. If it was 40 degrees out, oh man, it'd be a mess. You have to read on the back side to see how low temperature to put in. And in here you saw how thick I put that one. I'm gonna have to be careful with that tomorrow and hope that it's dry enough so I don't step on it too much, and I'll have to be careful if I step on this, only step on the front and not towards the back, because that I got 3/8 of an inch or more of this material down on the back side. And in fact, I'll have to take a look at it in the morning and feel it and kind of step on it and see if I even want to work on it. I might let this cure for a couple days before I go back and put a tight skim material on there, and that's what it'll be called. I'm going to skim it out. Any low imperfections, it'll be easy, way easier to skim it out now. I can't touch this stuff. You can see once you work on this stuff, it only takes 20-25 minutes, and it's already skinning up on the top. And if you try to smooth it out anymore, you're not going to be able to. Your trowels are going to dig in, and I showed you that up on that step up there. Okay, watch the entire video, and you'll the whole video series even. And the more you watch, I always say, the more you watch, the more you learn. Some people say, "Oh, Joe, come on, get to the point. Get to the point. You talk too much." Well, I talk because if people listen and watch the entire videos, they'll learn way more than just watching 2 minutes of what they want and then say, "Oh, okay, I can't be bothered watching anymore." But hey, you miss out if you don't want to watch. I'm doing this for a reason, not so that I can watch all these videos later on my own and all that kind of stuff. It's not for my benefit. You know, I'll be done tomorrow, but for your project, you can watch them over and over and see different things on how to fix your things around the house. Maybe you don't have any stairs like this. Maybe you got a flat deck roof or a flat deck on a deck area that you need to waterproof before you put your concrete stones back on top of there, or something like I did on that. If you're wondering, just go to my main YouTube channel page, click on playlists, scroll down to dry rot deck repairs. You'll see all the different things I had to do up there, and you'll be amazed. And it looks really nice now. And now these were adjoining that. There was all kinds of issues with this. These are 20-year-old stairs, glulam beam material on the stair treads. You're not even going to know it when I get done. And I'm not going to have any more issues with this. I'm hoping this winter it'll be telling whether or not this stuff is going to hold. And I have all the confidence in the world that it will, because I'm doing this as though it's a flat roof deck. If this was on a flat roof and it snowed on it, hey, it's going to be just as good. And so that's why I thought I'll go the extra mile and I'll make believe that this is a roof deck. You know, all this, and that's why I've done all the different things that I've done to this point, and then some, to get these stairs fixed once and for all. Hey, I've got way more videos of this entire project to show, so keep watching, and you'll see more. The more you watch, the more you learn.